Welcome to a unique property that offers both historic charm and income potential. Today, we're taking you on a tour of 1835 Hubbard Street, a charming Dutch colonial home with a surprise in the back, a detached two-story brick duplex. As you approach 1835 Hubbard Street, you'll be greeted by the classic charm of a Dutch colonial home. The beautiful architecture and lush landscaping make for truly inviting curb appeal. But this property offers so much more. Hidden in the rear, you'll find a two-story brick duplex, and that is where the potential truly shines. Let's step inside the main home for now. Original details like the hardwood floors and elegant crown molding create a warm and inviting atmosphere. You'll feel like you step back in time, yet with all the modern amenities that you need. The kitchen is highly functional with modern appliances, and the living areas are spacious and perfect for relaxation or hosting guests. The bedrooms provide serene retreats, and they ooze character. Now let's explore the duplex in the back, an incredible source of additional income. Each apartment in the duplex offers comfortable living spaces with a modern touch. These two-bedroom, one-bath units are perfect for renters looking for a cozy, private space. Just imagine the financial possibilities here. This duplex is not just an addition, it's a smart investment. 1835 Hubbard Street is an income-generating opportunity. And whether you choose to enjoy the historic charm or make the most of the duplex's rental potential, this property has something for everyone. As always, we'll see you on the next video. Like us, follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.